Welcome to Wiki. If you've ever tried budgeting and found it hard to stick with, you're not alone. Many people struggle with making a budget that actually works. But today, we're going to show you a simple, step-by-step guide to creating a budget that you can follow easily and will help you save money without feeling restricted. Section 1. Why you need a budget. First things first, why do you even need a budget? A budget is like a roadmap for your money. It helps you see exactly where your money is going each month and ensures you have enough for your needs and future goals. Without a budget, it's easy to overspend and end up with credit card debt or no savings. But when you have a budget that works, you can control your money instead of letting it control you. Section 2, Step 1, Calculate your income. The first step is to know how much money you have coming in. This includes your salary, any side hustle income, or money from other sources. Make sure to look at your net income, which is what you take home after taxes and other deductions. Write this number down because it's the starting point for your budget. Section 3, Step 2, Track your expenses. Next, it's time to track where your money is going. For 1 month, write down every single thing you spend money on. You can use a budgeting app or just a simple notebook. Make sure to include all expenses: rent, groceries, utilities, transportation, eating out, and even small things like coffee. This step might seem boring, but it's crucial. You can't build a working budget if you don't know your spending habits. Section 4, Step 3, Set your spending categories. Now, organize your expenses into categories. Common categories include housing, rent or mortgage, utilities, electricity, water, internet, groceries, transportation, gas, bus fare, debt payments, credit cards, loans, savings, emergency fund, investments, entertainment, dining out, movies. Look at your list and see if there's any category where you might be spending too much. This is where you can make adjustments. Section 5, Step 4, Set goals and make a plan. Now that you know where your money is going, set clear financial goals. Do you want to pay off debt, save for a vacation, or build an emergency fund? Write down your goals and figure out how much you need to set aside each month. Then, allocate your income across the categories based on your goals. A popular method is the 50/30/20 rule: 50% for needs, essentials like rent and groceries, 30% for wants, dining out, hobbies, 20% for savings and debt repayment. This method is easy to follow and helps you balance your spending. Section 6, Step 5, Review and adjust regularly. Your budget isn't a one-time thing, it needs regular checkups. At the end of each month, review your budget and see if you stuck to it. If you overspend in one category, figure out why and make adjustments. Remember, your budget should be flexible. It's okay to tweak it as your financial situation changes. That's it. With these 5 simple steps, you can create a budget that actually works for you. Start tracking your income and expenses today, set realistic goals, and adjust as needed. By doing this, you'll be well on your way to taking control of your finances and building a brighter,